And action.
Oh, right. Okay, got it.
I don't know all the plant names, but...
You don't need to know all the plant names. You know carrots and lettuces.
Yeah,
What more do you need?
I know.
All right, Patrick.
Hello.
What did you ever do?
Too much, apparently.
I need to start again. I'll get it phrased.
Or for the palette, the wall of... Oh, my gosh. Oh, my word.
Fill your pots up to the top, please, mister. Sure, he wants to start again and be more serious. Oh, look, there's a bee on the dahlia. You've got to get the bee. Get the bee. Get the bee, Tim. You know what they are? They're just really elegant bonsais.
That's not at all what it is.
It's not what it is. Yeah, no, yep.
Yep, action.
It's a good start.
But this one I'm going to do with this on my head. Okay, fine. Good track. Okay. You want me to keep talking? All right, we'll just do it.
Yeah, keep talking. Wrap it now.
Anyway,
And back to
good
you.
day. Bring him home to your courtyard. I looked in the wrong camera again. We'll just go again.
And yeah, just put it in the garden, and now I have worms. So
Oh,
I know.
all right. Tell your doctor.
that's...
Anything else that's really important to you when you're putting together a garden?
Yeah.
Like what?
Oh, how do I achieve that? That was a question.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I know. I didn't put a question mark. Over to you in the studio, Susanna.
7 news.
Hi, Laura.
Hey, Claire.
Well, this is a beautiful... Hi, Laura.
Hey, Claire.
What is going on? What are we doing up here? Was that exactly as glamorous as you wanted it to be?
Amazing. Sounds great. And cut.
Yeah.
Yeah.